Yeah, we talk about these categories of storms and what they mean as far as the damage goes. And you take a category 3, it's 50 times greater than a tropical storms. And then you move it to a 4. It's 250 times greater. It's exponentially increasing all the way to 500 times the damage if you move it on in, as we saw just recently with Irma. And now this storm is amazing. Maria has gained strength so quickly in the very warm waters just south of where Irma tracks. So there was plenty of warm water still there to deal with. The Van Wezel webcam showing fair skies out there. A few showers left behind from Jose, a little trough of low pressure there on the east coast now, bringing some rainfall along there. We're not seeing any rain here as a result of the dry air in place. And that should stick around tomorrow. We're not calling for much rain at all tomorrow. We may see a few inland showers at best late in the day. A little bit better chance, but not much on Wednesday. And then things will start to increase in our rain, looks like, as we move into Thursday. And then it will get windy here as a result of Maria, it appears, as it passes east of the state. At least that's what it looks like right now. And we're very confident that it will as a result of the high pressure ridge weakening on the western edge and then the storm moving up to the north. It actually may meet up with Jose, which will be just kind of spinning around off the Virginia coast there. For us, that dry air is in place for at least one more day. Not many clouds around. The evening planner looks pretty good tonight. We'll see generally fair skies, 78 degrees by 11 o'clock. And currently, it's 85 out there. The heat index, 92. The dew point temperature at 73. And the pressure, 29.90 inches and falling ever so slightly. The high and low are right at the average today. 89 and 74, both those numbers right where they're supposed to be. And 95, the record set back in 2005. No rainfall. And for the month, we're well above average. And for the year, almost 15 inches above average. Well, an above average hurricane season it has been. We've had 4 category 4 above storms out of the last 6 storms. And we've only had 3 other years that that's happened before September 19th. On top of that, Puerto Rico has only been hit by 3 major category 4 hurricanes in the history. And it looks like they could get their 4th fairly quickly. As this is intensifying, again, very symmetrical looking storm heading right for Dominica. It looks like it will miss the core of it anyway, Guadalupe, and as well as the Barbuda area, but still they're going to see hurricane force winds there. There's the forecast cone of uncertainty right in through Puerto Rico as a category 4 storm with 150-mile-an-hour winds, and then well east of the state of Florida. Most of the models, again, are all in agreement here that it's going to kind of continue on this north to northwesterly course and then head off to the north. Not many models, in fact, no models taking it right toward us. So that's good on that front, and it looks like it'll stay that way too. As far as the Jose forecast goes, we'll go back to that real quick. 75-mile-an-hour winds. It's moving to the north at 10. The pressure 977 millibars. This is the cone, actually not a cone, it's a circle of uncertainty. It's going to be hanging around here for the next 5 days. It could actually meet up with Maria in about 6 days from now. For boaters, winds out of the northeast, turning to the north at 5 to 10 knots. Seas will be 1 to 2 feet with a moderate chop. And the water temperature now at 85 degrees. UV index will be at 10. And the tides upcoming for Sarasota Bay, 7:18 for low tide. And another at 6:57 tomorrow morning, sunset at 7:31. Mostly fair, mild tonight, 72 for your low. Tomorrow, sunny, 90, warm and a bit breezy. North winds 10 to 15. The extended forecast. Our rain chances gradually increasing as we move through the work week. Fall begins just after 4 p.m. on Friday, but it stays into the upper 80s.